Let's get started with setting up your Qubo Smart Cam. Before we begin, make sure you have a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, a stable internet connection with at least 2 megabits per second upload speed, a smartphone running iOS 11 or above, or Android 8.1 or above. Step 1. Connect the power adapter to the cable and then connect it to your camera. Please note that the power socket is near the bottom of the camera. Now plug the adapter into a power outlet. If you're planning to use a microSD card, tilt the camera lens upward to access the slot and insert the card. Step 2. Press and hold the reset button for 10 to 12 seconds until you hear or see a confirmation. You can find the reset button either near the SD card slot by tilting the camera lens up, or at the back near the bottom depending on the model purchased. Step 3. Download the Qubo app by scanning the QR code on your Quick Start Guide card or going to Google Play Store or Apple App Store and searching for Qubo. Now, open the app and create your account and simply add your camera. If you're an existing user with other devices already installed, simply tap on plus icon at the top right of your homepage to add more devices. You'll see a list of cameras arranged in descending order of megapixel or resolution rating. Select your camera and follow in-app instructions to complete the setup. For a few cameras, for example Cam 363 megapixels, you must further select the model type based on the location of LED light. Follow in-app instructions to complete the setup. As you continue the setup, select models also provide an option to set up directly by connecting with device Wi-Fi network without requiring you to scan a QR code. Step 4. Test your camera at the location you wish to install. Before mounting, check the live feed and signal strength in the app to validate camera orientation and Wi-Fi signal strength at the location. Now, mark the position and drill 2 holes in the wall. Next, align the camera base with the screws and drag to mount it securely. Finally, adjust the viewing angle using the live feed in the app to ensure you have the camera view you want. And that's it. Your Qubo Smart Cam is now set up and ready to use. Thank you for choosing Qubo.